Hello guys, today in the YT University, we'll start a new programming journey with C++. Alright, so my go-to website is w3schools.com because it gives you the most basic and the most comprehensible tutorials when it comes to programming languages. So you can learn a lot from them: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java, PHP, and now it will help me to program C++. Alright, so it's not only for me but also for my student. So before we get started, let's just have a quick refresh of how and what is C++. And well, C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance application, and I agree with that. And it was I was introduced to C++ many years ago, and I think I need this refresher course. Then it's one of the most popular programming language and pretty powerful too. All right, so it's a version of another version of C++ or C rather, and well, has slight difference. And I just want to use C++ in developing Arduino projects. All right, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so to get started, um, you actually need a code editor or a text editor of your choice. So it so happened that I am not able to set up C++ with the VS Code, my VS Code, so that I cannot. I'm not jumping into VS Code. Although you can see down below that I have my uh, Visual Studio Code installed. All right, so we need the problem with this site is just it's reloading. Okay, so we need this one, C++ and a compiler, and we can go to www.codeblocks.org to set up the right one for us. And then I have tried to install several version of C++ of CodeBlocks, but it's not working so well. So I think there must be a proper way of installing all of these things. Okay, so binary build or binary releases. Okay, Linux. Okay, for this one, and then um, you have something for Windows. All right, so you have CodeBlocks 20.03 setup.exe, so it does not have the compiler. All right, and then you can go ahead with this one. Okay, setup exe, so it has the mean w with the mean gw, which is the compiler, and we need the 64-bit, and I think this one is the proper or the right one for us. So we go to SourceForge, and there we go. We'll go with that. We'll download. I have I have it installed right here. Yeah, right here. But this doesn't go in sync with this program. So I think I have to override. Okay. Then, yep. Before I try to install that, I will actually remove all of this stuff. Okay, so I didn't know how, but uh, we'll try. We'll try to replace. Alright, let's see if our download is working. You see it's 145 MB. It's not 35 MB. So there's a lot there, and I might take ours.
Alright, so after hours of waiting, right, it's been 8 hours because of the slow internet connection. Um, yeah. So we are going to open this up. Um, this one. No, this one. See, it's a full package. We can run as administrator. Just wait. There you go. Start installing. CodeBlock setup. Restart. Agree. Okay, next. Program files. CodeBlocks.
So there we go. It is already done. So finish. Let's just hope that everything is installed properly. We can now close this. So it opened up finally, and there are still errors, and you will experience that. Meanwhile, so I hope that this will solve the problem. So you just, if you're going to start a new project, create a new project, and then you will see some errors because the compiler's path is not found. You can find it here, and yep, it's in here. So you can click this one, auto detect, and it will properly detect the um, path wherein the uh, is set. So I think they should be in the same folder. That's why they're not um, working together or working um, in synchronized or in sync. Is because MinGW was not installed with CodeBlocks. Okay, so if we put them in the same folder, I think they will work. So OK, and then click OK, and then we can start um, creating our new program. So create a new project. Go to this one, files, and an empty file. Then click go, and then yeah, file name. We have to choose a place wherein this um, file will reside. Okay, and I want to choose the desktop, so I'm gonna give it a file name like first cpp. Then we'll replace this one and then save. Yep, and it will be a blank. Uh, oh, you can actually rename this. Close files. Yeah, because I have a wrong name. No, we just have to open it again with CodeBlocks. I think we have the right name. I do not know why CodeBlocks. This one. Okay. And then we put codes inside. Coming from W3 schools. So alright, we're here. And then click this one. Okay. Then finally get started. There we go. So we just have to copy this. Then go to CodeBlocks. Paste it here. Save it. And click this one. If problem persists, still I do not know what to do. What is that? Ah, there we go. Hello world. Oh, it's working. Now it finally works. So you follow the steps in properly installing CodeBlocks, guys. I hope you learned something. This is a tedious process if you have a slow computer, slow internet connection, will affect your the way you install or your experience in installing this. So I hope you guys learned something about how to install CodeBlocks successfully with with mean W mean GW64 setup. All right, so bye guys. See you again here in the